What's up, everyone? Today I'm going to be making pimento cheese. This is one of my favorites. It's great for dipping. I make it on sandwiches. And today I'm going to show you how I make mine. So let's get started. Okay, to start off, I have a cup and a half of yellow sharp cheddar and a cup and a half of white sharp cheddar. But you can use just completely all yellow. You can use all completely white. It doesn't really matter. But I like this mixture. So I'm just going to add that. Next, I have a third cup of mayo. And you want the good stuff, which is Duke. Anyone want to challenge me on that, feel free to do so. But Duke is the way to go. Next thing we're going to do is add 4 ounces of pimentos. Go. And this is optional, but I'm going to go with a teaspoon of garlic paste, or you could just go with fresh garlic. We're then going to go with a teaspoon of Worcester sauce. About a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And just a pinch of hot sauce. And then we mix everything together. So as you see, we've gotten the pimento cheese pretty well incorporated. And we're going to let that chill in the fridge. And there you have it, my recipe for pimento cheese. I hope you give this a try. The ingredients and the directions are in the description below. Let me know if you have any suggestions, recommendations, things that I should leave out. Just let me know. I hope you give this a try at least.